the water, and I'm looking for the antibiotics. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have you guys come on over here and I'm going to show you my water sampling bottle. My name is Melissa Lenczewski. I'm from Northern Illinois University and I'm in the Department of Earth, Atmosphere, and Environment. I'm also in the Institute for the Study of the Environment, Sustainability, and Energy. So today what we're doing is we're doing part of the Watershed tour to learn about all the different things that are going on within the watershed and the different research and projects. We're in the city of Genoa along the Kishwaukee River right here. What we're doing is we sample the water before and after major parts, so like the cities, the wastewater treatment plants, after say something like Russell Woods, to see what kind of water quality parameters are so that we have a baseline of what we have in our water so that we can make sure that when we're doing best management practices that that's having a positive impact on it. So this is called a Kemmler bottle, and what we use this for is this was designed by a graduate student and a professor to be able to sample like depths within inside of a lake, or to be able to we sample off of bridges because we can't trespass. And this is what we can lower down into the water. We drop what's called a messenger down. It clicks onto here. So how this works, and it also tells us where maybe certain problems are within our watershed. One of the big things that we've found right now is salts in general, from water softeners, from the food that we eat, and road salt is really starting to impact our rivers and waterways. And so one thing we need to do is decrease the amount of salt that we're using in our environment in order to maintain these beautiful ecosystems like we have here. You would fill up these little primers, these ports on the top here, close the top, and then you just hit the buttons and it'll give us our results. So we want this to be very oxidizing, to break down all that organic material from the wastewater treatment plant. We have two groups. One group is seeing about this while the other group sees the wastewater treatment plant, the city of Genoa. And then we're going to be swapping them out. From here, you're going to be able to go see other parts of the watershed, learn more about the soils, the ecosystems, and what we're doing in order to keep our watershed beautiful.